Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are a theme park fanatic, you know you have to be prepared for anything while visiting your favorite parks.
Maxie and Nova have put so much thought and care into creating this theme park essentials pack. I am so blown away. It is such high quality materials, this beautiful neoprene fanny pack, and all of the accessories that they include were just so well thought out, like water bottle and straw, a cooling towel, a rechargeable fan, and three disposable ponchos, which, if you love to go to the parks in Florida, you know the weather can change in an instant. So they really have put so much thought into this. I love how chic this looks, and it was really comfortable to be wearing at the park all day. I was able to cool down with my little personal fan while we hung around and had a snack. And I love that I could use my reusable water bottle to go get myself some drinks. And I got to sneak a sip or two of my friend's drink when I pulled out my little reusable straw. And it just made for the perfect park day. I love having this pack and I can't wait to use it over and over again.
I love it. I would recommend it to any theme park enthusiast, and that is my point of view.